It's looking good for the VE Day celebrations.
Yes, whatever you have planned at home to celebrate tomorrow, it is looking like another warm, settled day. More on that in just a moment. We've had some gorgeous weather watcher photos sent in yet again today. Beautiful blue skies here in Belper. And this one made me giggle, so I had to share it. It has certainly been the perfect day to get your washing out, and that we'll be planning over the next few days. You can get those washing out yet again. So tomorrow, whatever you have planned at home to celebrate, it is looking like it should be dry for most. More on that in a second, but sunny and warm yet again. Temperatures actually a little bit higher than today. The warmth continues into Saturday, but then a big change as we go through Saturday night into Sunday. The winds turn northerly, Arctic air is going to plunge south across the UK. So by Sunday, we'll be struggling to get into double figures, so much chillier end to the weekend. For now, though, it is a fine evening out there, a very slim chance of a shower, but it should be dry overnight tonight. A little bit of cloud around here and there, but plenty of clear skies, and it's not as cold, not as chilly as it has been over recent nights. Temperatures down to 9 degrees Celsius. For Friday then, whatever you have planned tomorrow, it is looking like a dry morning. We're at the risk of an isolated shower as we go into the afternoon, but fairly few and far between. Most of us staying dry with plenty of sunshine around, and those temperatures highs of 22 degrees Celsius. A very similar story on the way for Saturday, another mostly dry day. Probably more in the way of sunshine actually on Saturday, but a chance of a shower as we go into the afternoon. Temperatures still hovering into the low 20s, but as I say, things do change Saturday night into Sunday. That's down to this cold front. It will introduce cloud overnight Saturday into Sunday, and behind it that cold air will plunge down from the north. So looking at the outlook, you'll notice that change in temperatures. 20s on Saturday, but only 9 or 10 by Sunday.